Good morning, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine. Today's class is linked with the previous class, that is transformation of sentence. In the last class, we learned how we can change the sentence and write the same sentence in different form. And we completed replacing to by so, changing of degree and active into passive voice. Today's class will be about passive form, negative form and affirmative form, right? So before we begin the class, I have written out here something. As you can see, exercise number 62, page number 186 in new book and 200 in old book. Alright, so our first lesson is rewrite the following sentence in the passive form. Alright, question number 1, Macbeth hoped to succeed Duncan. Alright, Macbeth hoped to succeed Duncan. In this sentence, the object is missing out here. Object is missing. Alright, so therefore we have started the sentence in this way. It was hoped by Macbeth. Alright, Macbeth is the subject. It was hoped by Macbeth that he would succeed Duncan. Okay. Question number 2, who taught you Urdu? Alright, here who indicates that the person is hidden or we do not know about the person. Alright, so that's why we have written out here, by whom were you taught Urdu? By whom were you taught Urdu? Alright, and in question number 3 we have, they found him guilty of murder. Here the subject is they, which is very clear. Him is the object, which is very clear. So we have written out here the sentence, he was found guilty of murder by them. Alright, so the 3 questions are solved for you. You need to do 4, 5 and 6. And if you have time, you can do it till 10 because I'll be giving you answers till 10. Alright, so do not worry. In the evening, I'll be sending you answers. Okay. Now next this one topic we have exercise number 64, which is in the same page. Alright, express the meaning of the following in a negative form. So here I want to give you some stress because here in the above this one exercise I did not explain you much about that because last week I had explained you in the video. Now here I would like to express you something which is new to you. Alright, now here the word is negative form. Alright, so whenever we talk about negative form, the word comes no, not, would not, could not. These are the words that comes in our mind. Alright, but before we do this, you also need to connect yourself with the previous class, that is changing of degree. Okay, like positive, comparative and superlative degree. If you know this, then you will be able to change the sentences in a negative form. Alright, so let's see the example. He was more rapacious than a griffin. Alright, more rapacious is in which degree? Comparative degree. Alright, rapacious, more rapacious, most rapacious is superlative degree. Alright, so here we have changed. A griffin was not so rapacious as he. Alright, a griffin was not so rapacious as he. Here the sentence is in comparative degree, that is more rapacious. Now since we are making it into negative form, we have written out here not so rapacious, and this degree is positive degree. Alright, now the next question we have, I have not done 2 because it is same, the answer is same. Alright, so that's why I have done 3 out here. Akbar was the greatest of the great Mughals. Alright, greatest is in superlative degree, and the question we are asked out here is in a negative form. Alright, so no other great Mughal, see, no other great Mughals was so great as Akbar. So we have turned this sentence into negative form. Now the next example is, he was greater than Aurangzeb. Alright, greater is in comparative degree. Alright, now here we need to change it into negative form. So here what will be the answer? Aurangzeb was not so great. Aurangzeb was not so great as he. Here it is in comparative degree and we have made it into positive degree. Now these 3 questions I have solved it for you, and here I have written note. There are solved, 3 are solved for you. Sorry, 3 are solved for you. You need to do 3 more questions, that is 5, 6 and 7, and I will be very happy if you do it up to 10. Alright.